Go.
Alright, so we have a rogue pull-up rig here. We have 3/4 inch 4x6 stall mats. This is how you size them up to have the glove fit. So we're going to button the end up to the rig, like so. We'll measure the difference here. We've already measured it, but for sake of doing it, we're going to button this slip up here. We're looking at a 6 to draw the line. Measured over here, got a 6 inches, 6 inches, make your lines. You go right outside the lip, easy enough. Bam, it's already done. Connect the dots here, straight line. Got a little tool here, so we'll take a utility knife. We're going to take some micro thinner, get going, some touches. Put too much pressure on it because when I cut it, just go really light, go right back up your lines. More. The best way we have found.
And as a disclaimer, be sure to lift the mat up as you get deeper because you don't want to cut through into the cement because that's just going to dull your blade up even faster.
Hashtag CrossFit.
And repeat.